Hello guys, good afternoon. And kumain muna tayo ng ating lunch. And for our lunch, meron po tayong ginataang gulay with sardinas. Ayan. So if you're wondering guys kung ano po yung recipe na ito, kindly go to the link po guys na naka-connect dito sa ating short video. Ayan, available po ang recipe na ito sa ating channel and I hope you can check out guys. Very masarap siya guys. And unique recipe na first time ko rin matry, which is itong ginataang gulay with sardinas po. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Yahoo!